Have you ever opened a scanned PDF or image only to realize you cannot edit, copy, or search the text? Frustrating, right? Well, don't worry. Systweak PDF Editor makes it easy to convert scanned PDFs and images into fully editable and searchable documents in just a few clicks. Let me show you how you can use the OCR Optical Character Recognition feature of this tool. Open Systweak PDF Editor and go to the OCR tab. Click on Perform OCR. You'll see two options: OCR from PDF, OCR from image. Let's start with OCR from PDF. Select your PDF and open it. You'll notice that you can't search or select the text yet. Click on Perform OCR again. Choose the page range you want to process. Select whether you want the output to be searchable so you can search and highlight text, or editable so you can modify the text directly. Choose the recognition language and adjust the output settings as needed. Then click on Perform OCR. Once the process is complete, you can see our scanned PDF is now fully editable or searchable, depending on the option we selected. You can also convert scanned image files like JPG or PNG into editable documents. Choose OCR from image. Select the image file you want to convert. Set your OCR preferences just like before and click on Perform OCR. As you can see, the text is now selectable after performing OCR. Need to convert several scanned PDFs or images at once? Use the Batch OCR feature. Click on Batch OCR from the OCR tab. Choose either OCR from PDF or OCR from image. Drag and drop your files or browse and select them from a folder. Set your OCR preferences, including recognition language, output type, searchable or editable. Click on OCR now to start the batch processing. Systweak PDF Editor will automatically process all selected files, saving you time and effort. And that's it. Whether it's a single scan page, an image, or an entire folder of PDFs, Systweak PDF Editor's powerful OCR tools makes it quick and easy to convert them into editable and searchable documents. To download this tool, you can scan the QR code showing you on the screen. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We share simple, useful tutorials like this all the time, and you won't want to miss what's coming next. Have any questions or something didn't work for you? Just drop a comment below and I would love to help you out.